The Delhi BJP councillor has now been forced to apologize for threatening an African national to learn Hindi or leave the country. The councillor has now come out and apologized after outrage. CNN News 18, remember, has been bringing to you pictures and that video which has gone viral where she threatens an African national who is also a football coach of learning Hindi within a month. She now has come out and apologized for that threat.
नमस्कार साथियों, मैं रेनू चौधरी पटपड़गंज वार्ड से। कल से मेरी जो वीडियो काफ़ी वायरल चल रही है उसमें मेरा इरादा किसी को भी ठेस पहुंचाने का नहीं था। एमसीडी पार्क बच्चों के खेलने के लिए है और उनकी कोचिंग्स वगैरह के लिए। वहां पर जो भी सुविधा चाहिए होंगी हम लोग उपलब्ध कर। मेरी भाषा से शैली से किसी को भी दिक्कत महसूस हुई, ठेस पहुंची, उसके लिए खेद व्यक्त करती हूं और आशा करती हूं बच्चे ऐसे ही पार्क में हमेशा खेलेंगे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्कार साथियों, मैं रेनू
Nivedita, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details on this. Nivedita, 24 hours after that video went viral, after that threat that she made to that African national, a football coach, no less, she's now come out and apologized, going on to say that if I said anything wrong, then I apologize. But the fact is that this kind of mindset that has come to the fore, that is even more concerning.
Yes. So one important aspect is that the incident took place on December 13 and it was only on Saturday that Chaudhry's team posted this video on her Instagram. So yeah, the incident went viral soon after that, and the BJP, the higher leadership of Delhi BJP has taken note of the incident and she has been asked to apologize by the Delhi BJP. And as we have reported earlier that the issue that was being faced by the locals on the ground were of lack of lighting in the park, and also that the fact that the gates were not locked at night. So yeah, these were the issue for which she had received a complaint, and she came there for inspection. Rather than working on these issue, she issued a warning to the coach who has been teaching in that park from last 10 to 15 years, and the public, everyone around the area was almost happy with his behavior, and they said that it was he who has worked hard to maintain the park and not the MCD or any other authority in that area. So yeah, the BJP has acted against this and has asked her to apologize, and even the Delhi BJP unit chief has said that they will ensure that whatever is lacking in that park will be provided. And soon after her visit, a notice has also been pasted on the gate that that she has directed that the gates of the park has to be closed by 8 PM every night.
Right, so an apology there and a set of instructions there coming to the fore. For the moment, Nivedita, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front. This is just one instance where this BJP leader has been forced to apologize. There is another instance which came to power from Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh, where another BJP leader was caught on camera as far as heckling and harassing a blind girl was concerned. So far, no reaction from the BJP on that. We'll, of course, keep a track of that and much more here on CNN News 18.